Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. I'm Andini Naila Jati with study ID number 442512224 from class 44 1A05. In this video, I'll be discussing question word. Let's learn more. What a question word? Question word is a sentence that I use to ask about time, place, reason, method, and so on. Question word: what's going on? What, when, where, who, how, why. What used to ask about a thing or object. Example, what are you doing here? When used to ask about the time. Example, when will the bus from Yogyakarta arrive? Where used to ask about a location. Example, where do you live? Who used to ask about people. Example, who is your teacher? Why used to ask about reason. Example, why are you late? How used to ask about the manner or process. Example, how are you today? There are additional words in the question word such as was, whom, which. Whose used to ask about ownership. Example, whose book is this? Whom used to ask about the object of a verb. Example, whom did you meet yesterday? Which used from people who ask witness. Example, which are you talking about? There are two patterns you can use to form we have question in English. 1. Without tools. WH word plus be plus subject. 2. With the help of. WH word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. What is helping verb? Auxiliary verb are verbs that help from tense, passive forms, question, or negation in English. I apologize to the lecturer if said something wrong. I am Andini Naila Jati. I will take my life. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Andini Naila Jati. You can call me Naila. With student ID number 442512224 from class 44 1A05. Today, have you been hanging out on campus and student only someone next to you start smoking? Some people ignore Some move away, and others make even speak up. But here, the question is smoking on campus actually allowed? It's in a personal right, or is this crossing the line? For those who don't know, most universities in Indonesia and even around the world have declared their campuses as smoke-free zone. Smoking, including use of cigarette or vape, is not allowed in any campus area, whether indoor or outdoor. This policy is meant to limit personal freedom, but to protect everyone's right to clean air and healthy learning environment. The thing is, a lot of people still think smoking is probably a personal matter, but it's really not the simple. Cigarette smoke spread easily, and even people who don't smoke can end up inhaling it. According to the World Health Organization, cigarette smoke contains over 7,000 harmful chemicals, and dozens of them can cause cancer. On top of that, cigarette butt left on the ground can pollute the environment and harm wildlife. So when we talk about the freedom to smoke, we should also talk about the freedom to breathe the clean air. If you ask students, you will get mixed opinion. Some say it's my right to smoke as long as I don't bother anyone. But the truth is, what counts as not bothering anyone is very subjective, because secondhand smoke always affects others. On the other hand, many students support smoke-free policy because they want a cleaner, more comfortable study environment. Some campus even try to keep a midly ground bee catering. Designed smoking area outside the main buildings. That's why smoke still have a space, but not smokers don't have to suffer. Become a social responsibility too. A campus is more than just a place to study. It's a community. If one person smokes anywhere, then what? The impact is felt by everyone. When the impact is by everyone, it's about respect and awareness. Maybe it's time for you to realize that keeping our campus smoke free is just a policy, it's an of care. I'm not here to judge anyone, but I do believe that small acts of awareness can make a big difference. If you smoke, try to avoid doing it on campus or use and if you don't smoke, let's keep the conference respectful with still the protecting our shared space. A smoke-free campus is just about being something It's about caring for one another. So, what do you think? Should campus be 100% smoke free? Or should there be special smoking area? Share your thoughts in the comments and remember, a clean campus means a clear myth.